Alex is not my lover.
We Alex ntabwo dukundana. Alex yavuye hano aje kubita.
The lover just now.
I'm saying if he knows that you came here.
I don't ask for
permission.
He said if he knows.
Well, if I ask, he knows this. I didn't ask about permission stuff.
Alice.
What?
Alice,
yes? What's up?
Came to bring this to you.
Do this.
I took it to the jar cleaning. Its color says
the color. It should have got darker because of
It's the right. I just got out of the shower.
Did you box up tired you?
But come on.
So then I...
Hey, come in, sit with us.
Oh, she won't like it here. House smells to her.
So please open the windows and ventilate.
Drinks then. Her.
Oh.
Maybe you should move here?
That's the cleanest and also the newest house.
What happened to your eye, man?
His head. I told you to put ice on it.
Yeah, it will get better, no problem.
Let me introduce Emmett.
To meet you.
Alice. And this here is Caesar.
Nice to meet you as well.
So what is your name?
Or Yaman. I prefer.
To meet you, Wildling.
What's going on right now? I don't get it.
From me.
From me too.
I poured tea with the sai. Isn't it a pity?
I can't stand up either.
Come on, sweetie.
Hano hari ibitabo byinshi umusore yanya akunda gusoma. Hana kameza n'uguterura agatiruwari bariko banyweraho hakuno. Hakuno umuntu